Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Now this video is going to be very straight to the point, okay? I'm not going to be having any BS on this video. It's going to be very straight to the point, exactly how you can build a 10k a month OFM agency as quickly as possible, okay? So, with the premise that we're going to be helping you build an OFM agency as quickly as possible, let's get into this video as quickly as possible as well, alright? So, in case you don't know what OFM is, it's very simple. Essentially, what we do is we build an agency. We then partner with OnlyFans models, and in exchange for promotion, in exchange for account management, we take a percentage of the revenue that they generate, okay? So typically, this percentage is around about 50%. So we build an agency, we recruit OnlyFans models, we outreach them, we message them, we say, hey, in exchange for helping you get more subscribers by improving your promotion, and in exchange for helping you make more money in the back end by improving the OnlyFans account operation itself, improving the chatting to subscribers, improving the wall feed optimization, we're going to take 50% in exchange for doing that. Then all you need to do is you need to create content for us. As a result, we're going to be investing more time and energy and effort and better strategies and systems in improving the amount of subscribers you're getting, the amount of money you're making per subscriber, and you're going to be focusing on creating more content. You're going to have time to create more content because that's all you'll need to do. So it's very nice for the model. She no longer has to worry about anything else. All she has to do is create content, and then we manage everything else, and in exchange, we get a percentage fee, okay? Nice and simple. That is OFM in a nutshell. Very simple, easy to set up business, okay? Now, to make 10k a month through OFM as quickly as possible, there's a few ways that you can go about it. So I'm going to give you some of my favorite methods that you can go about doing this straight away, okay? So the number one method that you can use to get your OFM agency going rapidly is to invest more time and resources in improving the actual model recruitment system within your agency, okay? So to explain this nice and clearly to you, you could have a OFM agency. You could be recruiting a bunch of models who are doing 1k a month. Let's recruit 10 of them. So they're doing 1k a month, you're taking 50% rev share, that's 5k a month that you're making for your agency, okay? So you'll need to scale that up to 20 models signed in order to get to 10k a month with your agency. However, if you invest time and energy in creating a better recruitment system that delivers more value up front, that qualifies models, that reaches out to models en masse and targets the top talent, then what you can do is you can sign a 20k a month model at a 50% rev share. And then already you're at 10k a month with your OFM agency. So the quickest way to get to 10k a month is to invest more time and energy in building a thorough, thought out model recruitment system, rather than just going into the market, signing as many models as possible and having all these clients you need to deal with, scaling them all up to just get to 10k a month. You could do that from one model by having a well thought out system, as opposed to 20 models by just having a spray and pray method when it comes to model recruitment, okay? So that's the favorite strategy that I implore our mentorship students inside our consulting program. And that's the quickest way you can scale it, is if you just have a copy and paste model recruitment system that's thoroughly thought out to give to the students, then you just implement that. It gets good results and lots of success. Just last week we had someone sign a 30k a month model. She just started from scratch, signed a 30k a month model at a 50% rev share in less than 2 weeks. So that's the quickest way to scale up your agency. However, with that, you're being thrown in the deep end because you need to work on these big accounts. So you do need some knowledge and some experience when it comes to growing these accounts if you are going to be working with these big ticket accounts. Now, the second way that you can go about scaling up as fast as possible is by partnering with other OnlyFans agencies, okay? So when you partner with other OnlyFans agencies, what you can do is you can join a community like the one that we've got in the link below. Join the community. introduce yourself, connect to like-minded individuals within this community who are building OFM agencies, partner with them, and they may already have some models that you can work with as well. Okay, so you can partner with an OFM agency, help improve their OFM agency, and as a result, you'll be able to grow together and you'll be able to scale up to 10K a month rapidly. Okay, so that's the second fastest way. And if you join the community, you connect with like-minded individuals, which is found in the link in the description. Within the community, to the most active person, we also do give out free model leads. Okay, so we have tons and tons of models who are wanting to work with our agency. At this point, with my personal agency called Altrist, we need to reserve our resources for the top talent that we're signing. You know, we're managing 80K a month accounts, which I've been seen walking through, giving an exact breakdown of how we built their account within the community. We're working with those sort of accounts, so it doesn't make sense for us to be signing a 2K a month account and putting the exact same time, energy, and resources into growing that 2K a month when we've already got an 80K a month account. Okay, an 80K, now 110K a month account. Okay, so it's important that you join the community, because then you can get those free leads, and you can get some free leads, you connect with like-minded individuals as well. Okay, now the third quickest way to scale your OFM agency to 10K a month is to tailor the services that you are providing. Okay, now what do I mean by that? So as an OFM agency owner, there's a list of services that you can provide OnlyFans models. Okay, so you can help them when it comes to promotions. You can help them when it comes to live streams, so managing the live streams within the account. You can help them when it comes to chatting. You can help them scale up multiple Reddit accounts. You can help them when it comes to TikTok growth, so managing a bunch of TikToks. You can help them when it comes to dating apps, so leveraging dating apps to get subscriber traffic. Example, we've got multiple mobile devices here. Multiple, you can use those mobile devices and you can scale up these operations when it comes to growing the OnlyFans models subscriber base. So there's all these sorts of different services that you can provide. You can provide content consulting, so helping them when it comes to creating content. You can provide them, instead of that, you can go a little bit more in depth. So you can provide basically template content that they can create. So every week you send over some templated content, they just recreate that content, send it back to you, and you use that content when it comes to promotion, when it comes to selling in the account. You can provide custom request support. There's all these different services that you can provide as an OnlyFans agency owner. Now, the quickest way to scale is providing a very niched service delivery. Okay, so you can focus specifically on just chatting. So you can focus on chatting. You can take a lower percentage because, of course, you're not going to be able to take 50% of the model's revenue if you're only assisting with chatting, and she's still got to do all the promotion. So you can take 25%, manage the chatting operation, sign lots of clients just for this chatting side of things, and you can scale up to 10K a month really quick. And the reverse of that, you could also go out there, you can reach out to OnlyFans models, and you can just offer to help them when it comes to getting subscribers. So you can say, okay, we're going to take a higher percentage because, you could say 30% in exchange for providing you traffic to your OnlyFans account. And then you can just build out a mass traffic system. Okay, so when you have a bunch of, for example, Instagram, a bunch of big Instagram theme pages, they can use to redirect traffic to the OnlyFans models. Or you can use an existing network of OnlyFans models, and you can use that, and you can push the traffic into new OnlyFans accounts as well. And then that way, you can have a very niched service delivery, and at the same time, you can still scale up these clients without having lots of friction. Because if you're working with 20 clients who are doing 1K a month, to get to 10K a month with your OnlyFans agency, and you've got to manage all of these different sub processes, you've got to do absolutely everything for all of them. That's going to be a lot of work, okay? As opposed to just doing it with one account, who's already a high ticket account, my favorite strategy. Or as opposed to having a very niched service delivery, very clear in exactly what you're going to provide, taking a lower percentage in exchange for being that niche service delivery. And then as a result, you can scale up more models quicker because you can then just build out the systems that are needed. So for example, with chatting, within my mentorship program, we have a group of pre-trained chatters who we pre-train. We then give our consulting students the onboarding documentation they need to onboard the chatter effectively into the account. We give them the training information they need. We give them the reporting information they need from the chatter. So they just plug and play these chatters into their ANC, and they can have these chatters from the Philippines who take 5 to 10% commission on the sales they generate chatting in the model account. They can plug them into a bunch of model accounts that they're managing, and they can pay the chatter out 5% commission. They're taking 25% from the account, and you're just netting 20% commission or 20% profit from that account that you're managing. And you can do that across lots and lots of OnlyFans accounts, okay? So those are the quickest ways that you can scale your OnlyFans agency. A really simple business. Do not overthink it. Just straight away, all you need to do is find high quality talent, figure out the exact service offering that you're going to provide, fulfill that service offering, and then rinse and repeat and just consistently scale it up. And trust me, once you have cracked the code, you've figured out how to get OnlyFans models, you've figured out how to provide value to these OnlyFans models, then you literally have an unlimited source of money. Basically, just a tap of money that you can turn on anytime you want to make more and more and more money, okay? Once you've figured out those key components, okay? So I hope this video has been some value to you. We've explained OFM, we've explained a little bit more about the service delivery, we've explained the quickest way to scale up your OnlyFans agency. So I want you to take this video, process it, work with this knowledge, join the community down below, and get started with building your OFM agency today, because we're in a very exciting era where you can do this and you can make money from OnlyFans without having to have an OnlyFans yourself, okay? So join the community below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.